Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch the grayling fish in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you my fish observation. Okay, and I've just found this grayling fish, this one, and I'm going to show you the details information about this fish. Alright, and basically you can catch this fish from the suburban lake. And for the weather condition, you can catch it in any weather during the sunny days, rainy days, or during the rainbow event. Okay, and I'm going to show you the suburban lake location. Okay, there are view spots of the suburban lake right here, here, and also here. Just visit one of them and you're going to fish here. Okay, if you're lucky, you will get the grayling fish. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the grayling fish in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!